Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to discuss, the much-anticipated Leica M12. Leica has long been a pioneer in the world of high-end cameras, and now, rumors are swirling about what could be their most advanced digital rangefinder yet. If you thought the M11 was the pinnacle of camera technology, you might want to brace yourself, because the M12 is set to push the boundaries even further. With stunning advancements in sensor technology, build quality and connectivity, this camera could redefine the luxury photography landscape. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far. The next evolution in Leica's legacy. Leica has consistently balanced tradition with cutting-edge innovation, and the M12 appears to continue that legacy spectacularly. If the latest leaks and insider reports are to be believed, the Leica M12 will not just be an incremental upgrade. It could be the most significant evolution in digital rangefinders we've seen in years. According to sources close to Leica, the M12 is rumored to feature a revolutionary 60-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that has been entirely re-engineered from the ground up. While the M11 set a new standard with its triple-resolution technology, Leica has reportedly taken this concept even further. The improved sensor is said to offer unprecedented dynamic range, surpassing even some medium-format cameras, and enhanced low-light capabilities that could make nighttime photography feel like broad daylight. The implications for street photographers and professionals alike are massive. Unmatched low-light performance and ISO enhancements. Leica's M-series cameras have always been favored by professionals for their incredible image quality, and the M12 is expected to set a new benchmark. While the base ISO remains at 64, like its predecessor, Leica has reportedly made major strides in noise reduction at higher ISO levels. We are hearing whispers of the M12 being capable of producing usable images, even at ISO 10,000 or beyond, which would be a monumental feat. For those who frequently shoot in low-light conditions, whether it's dimly lit streets, concerts, or nature photography at dusk, this could be a game-changer. If these rumors hold, the M12 could potentially rival some of the best low-light performers on the market, making it an essential tool for serious photographers. A camera solely for photography, no video again? In a world where even smartphones now offer 8K video recording, Leica continues to take a different approach. Insiders claim that the M12 will, like its predecessor, omit video recording altogether. While some might find this decision baffling, it makes perfect sense when considering Leica's philosophy. Rather than attempting to create an all-in-one hybrid camera, Leica is reportedly doubling down on pure photography. By focusing all research and development efforts on still photography, they aim to create a camera that excels in every aspect of image capture. This means improved color science, sharper details, and a shooting experience unlike any other. While some photographers may lament the lack of video capabilities, many Leica purists will likely celebrate this decision, as it ensures the M12 remains true to its photographic roots. Modernized connectivity and future-proofed features. One area where Leica seems to be embracing modern trends is connectivity. The M12 is rumored to feature a USB-C port with blazing fast transfer speeds, significantly improving workflow for professionals who need to offload large RAW files quickly. Additionally, Leica has reportedly enhanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity to provide more seamless tethering options for mobile and desktop applications. Whether you're transferring files to a smartphone for quick editing or using a laptop for real-time monitoring, the M12 is expected to deliver improved performance in this area. A lighter yet more durable build. Leica has always been known for its superior build quality, and the M12 is expected to uphold this reputation. What's truly exciting is that insiders claim the M12 will be even lighter than the M11, thanks to a new generation of aluminum construction. Rumors suggest that Leica has managed to shave off approximately 100 grams while maintaining its signature tank-like durability. With weather-sealing enhancements that provide better protection against dust, moisture, and freezing temperatures, the M12 could become the most rugged Leica rangefinder to date. Whether you're shooting in the scorching desert or sub-zero conditions, this camera should be able to handle it all. Premium price tag, but worth every penny? Leica has never been a brand associated with affordability, and the M12 will be no exception. Early reports indicate that the M12 could launch with a price tag of around $10,000, making it a serious investment for photographers. However, given Leica's track record and the technological advancements packed into this model, it's likely to be in high demand from collectors and professionals alike. For reference, the M11 already commanded a premium price at launch, and its resale value remains strong due to Leica's limited production runs and dedicated fan base. With the M12 rumored to incorporate a brand new sensor and improved build quality, it wouldn't be surprising if it sold out within hours of release. Expected release date and special launch surprises. According to industry insiders, the Leica M12 is expected to be announced in early 2026, though some sources suggest it could arrive as early as late 2025. Leica has been known to surprise its audience with unexpected announcements, so we'll have to wait and see. Additionally, we've heard whispers of a special launch incentive for early buyers. While details remain scarce, some speculate that Leica may include a limited edition accessory package or an exclusive early access event for customers who purchase the camera at launch. If true, this could make early adoption even more enticing for Leica enthusiasts. Final thoughts: is the Leica M12 worth the hype? After analyzing everything we've learned so far, one thing is clear. The Leica M12 has the potential to be a groundbreaking camera. With a redesigned 60MP sensor, improved low-light performance, lighter yet more durable construction, and modernized connectivity, it could set a new standard in the luxury photography market. For professional street photographers, documentary shooters, and collectors, the M12 is shaping up to be a dream camera. While the lack of video capabilities might deter some buyers, Leica's unwavering commitment to pure photography ensures that every detail of this camera is optimized for the ultimate image capturing experience. With a hefty price tag of around $10,000, the Leica M12 won't be for everyone. But for those who value craftsmanship, legacy, and cutting-edge image quality, this could be an investment worth every penny. What do you think about the Leica M12? Would you be willing to splurge on this luxury rangefinder? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest in photography technology. Thanks for tuning in to Technology in the Future, and I'll see you in the next video.